Hello everyone. So now we are going to look how we can set up a small computer network in Cisco Packet Tracer. So we will do now. So what we will do, we will take one router here. You can take this router and then I will take three switches because we are going to set up the small network, a small computer network we can say in Cisco Packet Tracer. And then we will take some end devices. So let me take here, we can say one or two device here, two device here, two device here. After that, what we will do, we will do the cabling. We will connect the cable. So this cable will connect here like this, and then this cable will connect like this, and from here to here, and from here to here. This place you will get the error, cable cannot connect. So what we need to do, we need to add the port here. How we can add the port? You can go here, switch off this one, and here you can click, drag and drop this here, and then switch on the router and click and connect. This way we can add the port. Okay, so now you have how many ports you can see. If you want to check, you can do this way. So you have here port, let me change the name of the router R1, and this one I can say switch 1, this is a switch 2, and this is a switch 3. I will keep like this. Okay, now we need to do the configuration. This port F0 by 1, F1 by 0, F0 by 0. So let me put what IP we are using. So I will write here, we are using the IP here, we can say 192.168.1.1/24, and this site we can say 192.168.2.1/24, and this side we can say 192.168.3.1/24. This IP we are going to assign to our router interface. Okay, this IP we are going to assign to our router interface here, and then we are going to assign this IP as a gateway to this machine, this IP for this machine, and this IP for this machine. So let's go to this router. First of all, this is the router CLI. I will do the configuration now here. I will write here no, then enable config T, host name I will change the name of the device like R1, and then I will go interface F0 by 0. I am assigning the IP address to this interface F0 by 0. We will write IP address and put the IP whatever you have here, 1.1, give space, write subnet mask, and then write no shut here. Then you have interface F0 by 1 and write here IP address 192.168.2.1, give space 255.255.255.0 and write here no shut. And after that write interface F1 by 0 and write here IP address 192.168.3.1, give space 255.255.255.0 and write no shut here. So our router work I done. I can save the configuration. I can write show IP interface brief. You can see we assign this IP address to this particular interface. After that we can assign the IP here. Just I will write the label here 3.2. This is the label 3.2. I will go inside. I will assign the IP 3.2. Gateway will be 3.1, and automatically subnet mask will come here. Okay, it came there. So now 3.3 IP I will give here. I will go to desktop. I will paste here, and gateway will be 3.1. Similar way here, gateway will be 1.1. IP I will give as a 1.2. I will go inside. I will put here the IP. Gateway will be 1.1. And then I will go here. I will put the IP here 1.3. And we can say gateway will be 1.1 only. IP will be 1.3. Subnet mask will be that one. 255 automatically it will come. And this side we will have the IP 2.2. Gateway will be 2.1. So here I will write 2.1 gateway, and here will be 2.3. okay, gateway will be 2.3. I will put here, I will paste here, let me write 2.1. okay, our configuration is done. Now we can ping and check. So here I will go and I am pinging here 192.168.2.2. so this is 2.2 is this one, so I'm pinging from 3.2. let's see it will work or not. It is working perfectly. Maybe 1 or 2 packet will be dropped for the R. So from here to here it is working. Let me ping 2.3 also. This is 2.3. so we can check it is working or not. So if you see it is working, and now I can do here 1.2. so I am checking this is working or not. After that I will test this also. okay, so let's see here it is also working, and I can do here 1.3. so this is also working perfectly. You can see, wait for some time, 1 packet or 2 packet will drop. After that it will start working. okay, so this name of the lab I will put here. What name we can give? This is a simple lab actually, but anyhow we can give some appropriate name. I can write like how to set up a simple computer network in Cisco Packet Tracer. okay, this is the title of this lab, we can say. So I will put somewhere here. Let me make here, and if you want we can put some color. So like this I can take, I can put the color like this, and later if you want you can add the VLAN, and you can do also, you can say this is a VLAN 10, 20, 30 like that. You can play around. So let me put here, I have this one department, I can say I have another department here. Now without VLAN we have here. Later you can add the VLAN also. So let me put this color here. okay, so this is our topology. Now we are not using any VLAN, just we have the simple network. In the coming classes we can create the VLAN and we can put this port. If you want we can go here and write enable password ABC LAN VTY 024 login. okay, login. Before that one I need to put the password, and then I will write login. So I enable the Telnet here. I enable the Telnet, I save the configuration. Now you can check you can do the Telnet or not. So I will write here Telnet 192.168.1.1, and you can see Telnet is working. Telnet is working here. okay, so what we can say, how to set up a simple computer network in Cisco Packet Tracer. After that what I done, I enable the Telnet and we tested. We are able to do the Telnet to the router. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching this.